All right, so now we're on to figure three. So if you kind of recall, figure one, if we were to start with the example we had, this was the main invention, the main aspects of your invention, showing it in picture form that people can help to understand. It has the reference numbers in here, provides that information, whether it's an arrow and description or it has numbers and you let us know what each of the numbers mean, that works. The second figure was showing some different aspects of it, providing some additional detail. Maybe it's a variation, maybe it's something different. Now, let's say you keep it going through, and the third aspect, you're saying, hey, this is software, or it's a process of doing something, or there's a way of using it. Well, we want that kind of that third figure to provide that additional detail. So maybe in this one, it's a flow chart, and you can see here's some different examples of flow charts. And so a flow chart can be, hey, first we do step one, and step one is, displaying something in this case. And so then we say, okay, step one is 802, we display something and it does blah, blah, blah. And then we go to the next step. And after you go to step one, you go to step two, and it does this next thing of receiving something. And step three, maybe that's what it is. And so that would be one thing that's incredibly helpful. Let us know how you use your invention, how it functions, what are the steps to making it or assembling it or using it, or what are the steps that the processor does, or how, any of those steps are really helpful to convey what it is that the invention is and then how it's being used, how an individual is going to use your invention, or if it's software, what is a processor doing? What is it doing in the background? And then just lay that out in kind of a flow chart type fashion. And sometimes you have, hey, maybe you have a decision tree. When do I do this? Well, if it does this, yes, then I go to here. If I don't do that, then it comes to no. And you can kind of lay that out. And if you need to have more than one drawing, provide us multiple drawings or walk us through some different variations. But if you can walk us through and provide that additional detail of how it works, what those drawings are, and convey that information, that's what we'll need to make it as great as application as you can. So there's what drawing three will be.